Before you start your testing for the day, or perhaps if you've left Axis for a long period of time, we highly advise that you do Smart Prime. So let's take a look at how we do that. To get to Smart Prime, you have the main menu, and bottom left-hand corner we have the settings menu. At the bottom there you'll see Smart Prime. If we select that, it will come up with the prompt to start Smart Prime. So what Smart Prime is, it optimizes the Axis unit for best performance. And during this process, it generates an amount of smoke and then measures that smoke to calibrate the unit internally. It's ideal to do this in a well-ventilated area and also to cover the top of the Axis unit as well. It's not essential, but it is recommended. So let's start to do the prime. Let's cover the top. Press prime. And what you'll hear is the generator ticking over, starting to pump smoke into the head. Other reasons to do Smart Prime is not just if you're using it daily or if you've left it for a prolonged period of time, but it's also recommended to do when you change the generator over or if you see a drop in performance of Axis. So you'll see now that we are generating smoke. There's some smoke coming out the top there. There's a reason why to do this in a well-ventilated area. And you'll see that the Axis unit is measuring how much smoke it's generated, and it's now performing all of its internal calibrations. So after a period of time, the smoke is then cleared from the cup and the system returns back to 0%. You've now done a Smart Prime.